Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Typescript. Today we are going to learn about the decorators in Typescript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So in TypeScript, decorators are the feature that allows you to add metadata or the behavior to the classes, methods, properties or parameters in a declarative way. They provide a way to modify the behavior of a classes and their members during the design time. Decorators are heavily used in the various libraries and the frameworks. The main thing I have seen that is the Angular. Okay, and they are denoted with the @ symbol, and they are applied just before a class declaration, method, property or the parameter. Okay, so TypeScript officially supports the decorator since the version 1.5, and they are heavily influenced by the decorator proposal for the JavaScript. Okay, so this is the basic annotation that my decorator, and here we have the definition of the decorator function. Okay, so this is the basic like initialization how we can call this decorator part. Okay, rest we will discuss in a detailing in the next part. So we will use that one. Decorators can be used in various purposes, such as there should be class decorators, method decorators, property or parameters. So we are going to discuss. So class decorators applied to a class modified their behavior, add metadata and provide dependency injections. Method applied to the class methods to intercept and modify their behavior, often used for the validation, logging or authorization. Okay. Property decorators applied to the class properties to add metadata or perform actions when properties are assessed or assigned. Parameter decorators applied to a constructor or a method parameters to modify their behavior to provide additional information. So this is, you can say, add that component. This is a decorator. Okay. So this is the part that we have already used in the Angular, right? So Angular is totally built on the TypeScript. Okay. So this is how the decorator part, what is doing decorators. Okay, and how we are going to learn in the next video. Okay, so we are going to discuss all this class decorators, method, property and the parameters step by step. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.